Few things are more frustrating than a phone that acts on its own. Ghost Touch can open apps, send messages, or dial contacts randomly. In this video, I'll show you 13 simple fixes plus one ultimate solution to stop Ghost Touch on your Android. Section 1. Why is my phone pressing by itself? Screen cracked or fault, moisture dirt, interferes, accessories poor fit, charging, faulty cables, software heat, bugs or hot, hardware, battery or loose parts. Section 2. How to fix Ghost Touch on Android phone. 13 quick solutions. Way 1. Remove the screen protector. Way 2. Clean the phone screen. Way 3. Force restart your phone. Way 4. Use of high-quality charger. Way 5. Reset all settings. Way 6. Detach the charging cable. Way 7. Check the phone temperature. Way 8. Update software. Way 9. Factory reset the phone. Way 10. Turn off adaptive brightness. Way 11. Quit background apps. Way 12. Enable accidental touch protection. Way 10. Turn off adaptive brightness. Way 11. Quit background apps. Way 12. Enable accidental touch protection. Way 13. Toggle off hardware overlays. Section 3. How to fix Ghost Touch on Android phone with the professional tool. Android Repair fixes stubborn Android issues like system glitches, screen problems, and Ghost Touch. It's guided, efficient, and restores your device quickly without hassle. First step. Launch the software that has been installed on your computer and proceed to the System Repair section located on the main interface. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable and select the Android Repair option. Second step. Examine the information presented and click Start. Input the details of your device and click Next. Subsequently, enter 00000 and choose Confirm. For devices that feature a home button, turn off your phone. Then simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume Up to enter download mode. Third step. Resolve the issue of the process system not responding on Android using the Android Repair tool. Once you have successfully entered download mode, click Next to download the required firmware. Finally, the tool will then commence the procedure to fix the Ghost Touch on Android phone. FAQs for fixing Ghost Touch on Android phone. Q1. Safe mode. Stops apps if fixed. Uninstall recent apps. Q2. SIM or SD. Rarely checks hardware issues. Q3. Dropped phone. Yes, digitizer or connections may break. Q4. Cheap screen. Yes, low-quality screens trigger Ghost Touch. Q5. Developer options. Sometimes helps diagnose, not fix hardware. Q6. Battery. Unlikely unless swollen. Q7. Warranty. Only defects, drops, or water void it.